Good morning, girls and guys. Boris Gelfand Realty. Guys, I would like to show a very nice apartment in Bal Harbour. It's North Miami area called Bal Harbour, most expensive area in Miami. Okay, so let's go to see some apartment which is not extremely expensive. Asking price 650,000 US. So it's 3-bedroom with 3.5 bathrooms. Let's see. It's brand new construction. Actually, it's really brand new. Nobody lives here. It's need to put new flooring, and basically it has all features. It has 2 parking spots, and the building recently done. So we have 3 full-size bathrooms and 1 half bathroom for the guests. Okay, let's start from the kitchen area. After we're gonna see everything around. So this is dining area, this is a living room and kitchen. It's L-shaped kitchen, which is has quartz countertops, everything done with the best materials. And again, this is in the middle of the Bal Harbour. An apartment has very huge terrace, which is with you can put tile wherever you can and enjoy all your stuff outside. Again, it's screen. I mean, it's not screen, but it's shade, and with beautiful views of the Bal Harbour. An apartment has almost 1,800 square feet. It's 3-bedroom and 3.5 bathrooms. Guys, very attractive deal because other apartment in this building asking price 950. This is 650, but you need to make couple improvements like floor, blinds, shelves. So you buying from the builder, from the scratch how it was built. So let's go to the master bedroom and you're gonna see what's going on inside. So on the right side, you're gonna see huge space. It could be office room, or it could be your walk-in closet. I mean, you have 2 options. I mean, the master bedroom doesn't have closet, so basically it was built for the closet. And master bedroom not big, not huge, but I'm sure it's gonna fit king-size bed. It has another balcony. And like I said, it has beautiful views of the bay. It's the best schools in the area. I mean, Bal Harbour, this is why people buying because of the schools and location. It's like so everything done with a decent quality. It's not very expensive, but I think for this price, if you want to make a map, it's almost like 400 per square feet, so it's not expensive. And so if you have, guys, any questions, feel free, sign to our channel, and let's show other room. All rooms not huge, but again, it's good to fit quick size beds without any problems. And again, new construction always a little bit smaller than old because of the construction cost. Guys, if you have any questions, comments, welcome. My phone is +1 646 431 8072. You can use WhatsApp, Viber, visit our website www.gelfandrealty.com. See you soon. Thank you, guys.